Welcome to Iowa Western Community College. Ready to start your Reiver journey? Applying to Iowa Western is simple, and we're here to show you how. Let's get started. First, go to IWCC.edu, or simply scan the QR code on your screen. Once you're there, click Apply Now at the top left corner of the page to begin your application. Now you're on the student account login page for your application. If you're a returning student, keep in mind this login is different from your ROC account. If you've already created an account, go ahead and log in. If you forgot your password, just click Forgot Password. If you see a message saying your account is locked, contact us at admissions@iwcc.edu for help. For most of you, this will be your first time applying, so click First Time Logging In. Create an account to get started. This will bring you to the Create an Account page. Here, you'll enter some basic information about yourself. Make sure to fill in all fields marked with a red asterisk, those are required. Once everything is complete, create your password and click Create Account to move on. Now that you've created your account, you'll be directed to your student profile page. It's important to note that you've only created an account so far, you haven't applied to the college yet. To get started with your application, click Start Your Application in the Your Applications section of your student profile page. You can apply for any upcoming term within the next year, but only once per term. Make sure to select the right student type before you begin. If you need to make any changes after submitting, reach out. We are happy to help. Based on the program you selected when creating your account, the system will automatically show that program here. It will ask if you'd like to start an application for that program, or begin a new application for a different one. If everything looks correct, simply click Next to continue. There are 5 sections in the application. The first is your personal information. Some details may already be filled in from when you created your account. If you have a social security number, include it so your FOPSA connects to your record, but if not, that's okay. When you're done, click Save and continue. The next section is called Student Plans. Here, you'll answer questions about how you want to take your classes, how many classes you plan to take, and if you're interested in any activities outside of class. Next is the Education History section. Your high school information will already be filled in. Make sure to also add any other schools or colleges you have attended. Next is the Supporter Information section. A supporter is someone who might help you make decisions about college. If you want to add someone, select Yes and answer the questions. If not, select No, and then click Save and continue. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Make sure to read all the statements carefully before certifying. One important statement is about fraud. Iowa Western actively monitors for false information, and providing misleading details could stop your application or financial aid. Once you've reviewed everything, certify the statements and submit your application. Congratulations! Your application has been successfully submitted. You've taken the first big step toward becoming a Reiver, and we're excited to see you continue your journey at Iowa Western. Keep an eye on your email for next steps, and get ready for an exciting new chapter in your college experience. Click on the link to check your application status. After submitting, you'll be brought back to your student profile page. Here, you can see your application listed. To view your decision letter, just click View next to your application. Click on Acceptance Decision Letter, and then click on Download. If you have questions following this video, please reach out to your admissions advisor. If you're unsure who that is, simply email admissions@iwcc.edu or call 712-325-3200. To schedule an in-person, Zoom, or phone appointment, scan the QR code below. We're excited to see where your journey takes you. Now is the time to take your next step. The world is waiting.